The Gallagher electric fence dropper allows you to fence further with less. The electric fence dropper lowers fence costs by extending post spacing. It is suitable for 5 or 6 wire electric fence applications, supported by wood, steel and Gallagher insulated line posts, and is quick and easy to install. Firstly, hook the orange insulators of the electric fence dropper onto the middle wires of your fence, then straighten the dropper so it is upright. To secure the dropper in place, twist the dropper so the wire is secure in the insulator and the top and bottom tails are parallel with the top and bottom fence wires. Then simply take a screwdriver and wrap the dropper wire around the top and bottom fence wires.